So, ayon, good morning, sir. And we were going to make a basic calculator app using Windows Form sa Visual Basic .NET. Super useful nito lalo na if gusto mong mag-practice ng skills mo in designing and writing the functional code. So, the goal here is simple lang. Makagawa tayo ng working calculator that can do basic math operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Pero you can also explore adding data features and later on. It is great for learning the basics of VB.NET and UI logic. So, umpisahan na natin sa step 1. Pakita ko lang. So first step is we must select our Windows Form app kasi yun yung gagamitin natin for designing the calculator user interface. Super important nito to make sure na nakaset yung language to Visual Basic and hindi sa kung ano mang programming language para compatible sa code natin later. After that, name your project something like this, calculator row 1, or kung ano mang gusto nyo ilagay, kung paano siya i-open. So, we need to open it first. Ayan, then create a new project. So, sa case kasi natin is naka-set na to into Visual Basic, then madali na lang makita itong Windows Form app. So, double-click lang natin and dito ka na mag-a-add ng file name mo. So, ayan na yung makikita nyo kapag naka-create na kayo ng file. So, we will proceed to the next step.
So, step 2 is design the user face interface ng calculator application using the appropriate controls. Example is yung buttons and text boxes. Dito na papasok ang creativity mo. Gagamitin mo yung toolbox sa Visual Studio to drag and drop controls like text box for the display and button controls for the digits and operations. Lagyan mo ng buttons from 0 to 9, then mga operation like positive, negative, times and divide, and equal signs. Pwede mo rin i-customize yung mga font and sizes nila para mas readable. Think of this part as creating a mobile app, kailangan user-friendly and decrowded.
For the step 3 is to implement the code for the calculator functions. An example nito is addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Also the division. Using the Visual Basic .NET programming structures and methods, after mo ma-design yung UI, ito na yung logic part. Double-click each button para mag-auto-create ng event handler. Diyan mo ilalagay yung VB.NET code to perform operations. Gamitin mo yung variables para i-store yung numbers and operator. Then, handle mo yung equals button to compute based on the selected operation like if plus yung pin.
So in the step 4, so test the calculator application by running the program and verifying it that if performance that expected calculation. So after coding, click start or press the F5 para i-run yung application. Then subukan mo yung lahat ng operation divide like 10 divided by 2 or 5 plus 2 and check mo if tama yung result sa text box. And kung may mali, go back sa debug para maayos yung problema. And super helpful din maglagay ng error handling like para sa divide by zero testing is important para sure na smooth yung experience for the user and walang bugs. Next is this step 5.
Modifying and improving the calculator application as desired, adding additional functionality or features. Kapag working na yung basic functions, you can level up your calculator. Pwede mo nang dagdagan ng features like clear C button, backspace, or even advanced functions and font styling. This step is all about making your app more polished and fun to use to show your creativity and skills. Through this calculator project, na-practice na namin both our designing skills and coding knowledge using Visual Basic.net. Ang saya niya kasi hands-on and actually na may output ka na working app, plus nagkaroon ka ng deeper understanding on simple apps working behind the scenes. Pwede mo na rin tong gamitin as foundation for more advanced project in the future.
So, yun lamang po and thank you.